Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 1. I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I am your teacher, Miss Suba, and today I am here to teach you English. So, all of you, please take out your English comprehension book, that is Pheasant English Book 1. Today, the date is 14th April 2021, and the day is Wednesday. Let's have a look what we have to do in today's lecture. Today we will study unit number 1, that is Allah is everywhere. You have studied the first half part of this poem in your previous lecture, and today we will study the second half part of this poem. We will read the lines. I will explain you the lines and then I will tell you some keywords of this poem that you have to learn. Okay, all of you please open page number 5 of your Pheasant English Book 1. Don't forget to mention the date and day on the top of the page. Okay, on the top of the page you can see few bold letters. Let's read with me. Allah is everywhere. This is the title of the poem, or you can say it's the name of the poem. Poem का name क्या है? Allah is everywhere. अल्लाह ताला हर जगह मौजूद है. इस पोएम में एक्चुअली पोइट अल्लाह ताला की तारीफ़ बयान कर रहा है, और सबसे पहली तारीफ़ क्या की है पोइट ने? दैट अल्लाह इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑल अराउंड अस. अल्लाह ताला हमारे हर तरफ है. एंड ही कैन सी एवरीथिंग, और वो सब कुछ देख सकता है. इवन जो हम सोचते हैं वो भी देख सकता है. लेट्स गो थ्रू द पोएम. ही इज़ हेयर एंड ही इज़ देयर. He listens to us and responds what is right and what is wrong. He speaks to us through Quran. He is strongest. He is greatest. Nobody knows how he looks like. Nobody knows where he lives. But he is everywhere, you see. He is here and he is there. Okay, dear students, before starting our today's lecture, we will read the previous lesson and we will also revise the flashcard of our previous lesson. Let's read with me. He is here and he is there. वो यहाँ भी है, वो वहाँ भी है. He listens to us and responds. वो हमें सुनता है और हमें जवाब देता है. What is right and what is wrong? क्या सही है और क्या गलत. He speaks to us through Quran. वो हमसे कुरान के ज़रिए बातें करता है. ये आपका प्रीवियस लेसन था जो आपने डेफिनेटली लर्न भी किया होगा, और इसके कुछ फ्लैश कार्ड्स थे. लेट्स डू रिवाइज देम. हेयर यहाँ, देयर देयर वहाँ, लिसन्स लिसन्स सुनता है, रिस्पॉन्स रिस्पॉन्स जवाब देता है, राइट राइट सीधा सही, राइट सही, रॉन्ग रॉन्ग गलत, स्पीक्स स्पीक्स बात करना, कुरान कुरान. Dear students, you can see I have divided few words into two syllables because they are the two syllables word, and all other words are single syllable words. Okay, now we will go to words. Okay, dear students, now we will study the second half part of this poem. Let's read with me. He is strongest, he is the greatest. Nobody knows how he looks like, nobody knows where he lives, but he is everywhere, you see. He is here and he is there. He is the strongest, वो सबसे ताकतवर तरीन है. He is the greatest, वो अजीम तर है. Nobody knows, कोई नहीं जानता, how he looks like, कि वो कैसा दिखता है. Nobody knows where he lives, कोई नहीं जानता कि वो कहाँ रहता है. But he is everywhere you see, लेकिन आप देख सकते हैं कि वो हर तरफ है. He is here and he is there, वो यहाँ भी है, वो वहाँ भी है. In these 5 lines, the poet described the qualities of Allah Ta'ala कि अल्लाह ताला सबसे ज़्यादा strongest हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा ताकतवर हैं. And he is the greatest, और वो अजीम तर हैं. किसी को भी नहीं पता कि अल्लाह ताला कहाँ रहते हैं, और किसी को ये भी नहीं पता कि अल्लाह ताला कैसे दिखते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी अल्लाह ताला हर तरफ है. पोइट को कैसे पता कि अल्लाह ताला हर तरफ है? क्योंकि हम अल्लाह ताला को तो नहीं देख सकते, लेकिन हम अल्लाह ताला की बनाई हुई चीज़ों को, अल्लाह ताला की निशानियों को हर तरफ देख सकते हैं. ये पहाड़, आसमान, दरख्त, दीज आर ऑल द सिम्बल्स ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अल्लाह ताला. ये सिम्बल्स हैं, इनके ज़रिए हम अल्लाह ताला को पहचान सकते हैं. Okay, dear students, you can see I have underlined few words. These are the keywords for today's lecture. Let's read with me. Strongest, strongest. ताकतवर, ताकतवर तरीन. Greatest, greatest, अजीम तर. Nobody, nobody, कोई भी नहीं. Knows, knows, जानता है. Lives, lives, रहता है. Everywhere, everywhere, हर जगह. Dear students, you have to mark a short date here, that is 14th April, 14/4. You have to study all these lines again and again, and you have to learn the keywords for this lesson. Now we will study the flashcards. Through these flashcards, we can see how can we break the long words. Our first word is strongest. Strongest. We can divide strongest into 2 syllables, strong and est. Strongest. ताकतवर तरीन. Our next flashcard is greatest. Greatest. We can divide greatest into 2 words, that is great and est. Greatest. Our next letter is nobody. Nobody. Nobody can also be divided in 2 syllables, that is no and body. Nobody. Our next syllable word is everywhere. Everywhere can also be divided into 2 syllables, that is every and where. Everywhere. Our next keyword is nose. Nose. Nose का मतलब जानना. It's a single syllable word. We can't divide it into many syllables. It's a single syllable word. इसको आपने as it is learn करना है. Our next word is lives. Lives. रहना. Lives is also a single syllable word. Okay, my dear students, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Now we will practice against all the flashcard of unit number 1. You have to read with me. Here, here, यहाँ. There, there, वहाँ. Listens, listens, सुनता है. Right, right, सही. Wrong, wrong, गलत. Speaks, speaks, कहता है. Responds, responds, जवाब देता है. Through, ज़रिया. Through. Quran, Quran, strongest, strongest, ताकतवर तरीन, greatest, greatest, अजीम तर, nobody, nobody, कोई भी नहीं, knows, knows, जानता है, lives, lives, रहता है, everywhere, everywhere, हर तरफ. Okay, my dear students, we have done with our today's lecture. Here are few things to remember. Do your work neatly and carefully. Learn and practice the keywords again and again. And you have to send your audio message in your class group after learning the keywords. Okay, thank you so much, students. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.